Everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS5350i. I want to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi-Direct, wireless direct. What you need to do is you need to select OK, then scroll down all the way to device settings, select OK, scroll down to LAN settings, select OK. It will show you Wi-Fi Direct and also Wi-Fi, wireless direct or Wi-Fi. Scroll down to select wireless direct, select OK. Then it will ask you show certain information or connect to smart device. So you select show certain information, display password when included in certain information. Then you select up to select OK or off, select on, select OK. So it will show you the information, will show you Wi-Fi is disabled. Then you scroll down, show you the printer name. Then you select connect to smart device, iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to select order. Connection information will be displayed using the information to make setup. Select next. Please wait. Processing, please wait. Display password when included in the settings. Then you select OK on. So it will show you the Wi-Fi Direct name and also the password. So the Wi-Fi Direct information is displayed. So what you need to do is use your pen or paper to copy the Wi-Fi Direct password. Now the next thing to do is to connect this printer with your mobile phone using Wi-Fi Direct. You go to the settings, select connections, then select Wi-Fi. And when you select Wi-Fi, then you look on the list and it will show you Direct TS5350 series. You need to select on the Direct. It will ask you for you to enter password. Then you look from the display and type the information. So what I'm doing now is to type the information. Once you type the information, you can select I sign and the end to see the information. Then you select connect. So it will show you connected without internet. If you want to print document, the next thing to do is you need to go to my files, select my files, then select the documents from the list, select the document, then you select OneDrive, select just once. The document will open. This is the document we want to print out, 2-page document. The next thing to do is you gently tap on the screen, select 3 dots, then select print, then scroll down from the list and look for Canon print, select all printers, select the printer is showing Canon TS5350 series, select on it. Then from this green app, you scroll down to select the size as A4, orientation, portrait. We want to print this double-sided, select double-sided, long edge, then select print. Then the next thing to do is you need to, after you send the job to the printer, you go back to your laptop, go back to your mobile phone settings, connect to wireless network so that the document, so change to your network. Once you change to your network, then the document, then you select the file, select external file, then you select start printing. So the document is going to print from this printer. Here we go. So the document is printing. This is the document we printed out with mobile phone via Wi-Fi Direct, and the printer is connected via Wi-Fi Direct. If you look, it will show you the mobile device. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct and also print documents from mobile device. Thank you very much indeed.